My video guide is about getting rid of the new ransomware, which is called Nullthegame. Nullthegame is a ransomware which attacks many Windows files today. My video is only for educational purposes. In my video, I will show you what can happen if this ransomware affects the files. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, all other data can be opened easily without any troubles. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. The ransomware then would tell the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. It indeed encrypts the files, and it's not possible to use the files anymore because of this ransomware attack. This ransomware is called Nullthegame because it encrypts files and appends this null or null extension to the files. It's not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware also changes the desktop background, and this is the way it looks like. Don't pay the ransom because the ransomware tells you to do that. It tells that you need to pay the ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that your data would be restored. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, then the program will be initially in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available. Most likely, the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner Premium license is provided with anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or several folders that will always be under the protection against ransomware attacks. Then at the end of the scanning, you'll see the summary of threats. You will also be able to know the exact locations of threats on the system. And based on that summary of threats, certain infections can always be removed manually, of course. But I do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license. Premium license does not decrypt files though, however it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect all your data in the future from further ransomware attacks. So with premium license, your files will always be protected in the future.